how to log in or sign up on REDNOTE app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be walking you through the steps on how you can log in or sign up for the new latest app called REDNOTE. So let's just dive right into the video. So first thing first, open up the REDNOTE app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can just go ahead and download it from the available app store. And after the download is complete, hit open and you will be taken to the login page. So here, in order to log in, you can either use your phone number or there are other login methods available like Facebook or Google. So you can go on with the process of creating an account, either of them. In order to go on with the phone number, you just need to enter your phone number. After that, you will be receiving a verification code. You just need to enter that in order to log in with your Gmail or your Facebook account. You just need to give access to your Facebook or your Gmail account to them and you will be easily logged in. For now, I'm using my Google account and continuing with my Google account. After that, you can wait for you to be signed in. And here you need to choose your gender and your age. So select your age that you are. After that, tap on next and select your gender as well. And after that, tap on next. And you need to select your interest, like what kind of video you want to watch in the REDNOTE app, your interest. For example, I'm choosing this right here only. You need to select at least 4 for now. And after that is done, you can start exploring your base. So allow the access. You can allow the contacts access if you want and tap on next. After that, you need to allow some of the permissions and you will be led to this dashboard of the REDNOTE application. So here you can go ahead and explore the page and its feature right here. So that is it. So whether you're signing up for the first time or you're logging in as a returning user, it is super simple to get started on the REDNOTE app. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and see you next time.